Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Trust you are doing good wherever you are. Today, let's make some sweet plantain and beans jollof or porridge. Okay, so how do you make yours? Are you still using the old method that our mothers used? I mean, what method did your mother use? The ground oil method, the fried oil method, or the big method? I mean, the concoction method, the one that everything is already boiling and you begin to pour everything, getting bam. You go just mix them, good, and boom, it is done. Is that the method your mom used? Is that the method you're still using? I mean, food cooking is scientific in nature, so you got to discover things. Okay, so in this one, I am showing you another way and a very palatable way that you can make your beans and plantain. And for any reason anybody doesn't really like plantain in your family, the person would never know that there is a plantain in this dish. Okay, so just notice everything I did. The first thing was just my pepper maize. You gotta make a sauce for this, and then the sauce should not be watery, a bit, thick. I just added little water to that, and then I fried it until it was properly done, and then I added the beans. Remember, the beans shouldn't be mashed, okay? And then the plantain has to be blended. Yeah, that is the twist in this dish, and trust me, you are gonna like it. In fact, I would like you to come back on the comment section of this video and tell me how you liked this, if you are gonna try it, because it's a sure banker that you're gonna like it, and everyone in your family is gonna like it, because the sweetness in this, it was sweeting. Okay, so yeah, I turned everything in. I'm sorry if I'm not turning it well, because I shall know that I don't know how to turn things. I don't know how to stir things, and one of my viewers here has already told me that, and I don't know. I promise to learn. I wish I can have somebody to teach me. Okay, so however I turned it, please accept it. And that is otazi leaf that I just added. Is a game changer in this dish here, and it's also very healthy as well. It's a herbal leaf, all right? So you put this and allow it to steam, and then stir everything together, and voila, your dish is done. Like, I hope by now you have already given this video a thumbs up. Yeah, please, that's what I just told you to do right now with my thumb. And then please share this video. People need to know that there are different ways you can cook. There are different ways to cook. And then, what am I even saying? Okay, just go and share this video, okay? And then come and join me. It was delicious. See you next time. Bye-bye.